jump from Glenmeay area to St Trinian's Church now. Famed for it again, we just blow the roof off. That's the old church in the haze. Looks like two bell towers. Story has it that it wasn't a big end that used to dig the lead off the roof and the materials off the roof. That picture's dated too. The tree is there. The tree was moved down quite a few years ago. It's by Timothy the Taylor dropped his needle or his scissors. The tree was supposed to go out there. Anyway, seemingly it was there was a church getting built locally at the same time, and the builders used to come on and take the lead and tiles off this church's roof to put on the other one. So there was no such thing as a big end. But it makes a nice tale anyhow.